Wondering what to do about your arthritis? Join us for a free educational seminar from the safety and convenience of your own home. Hi, I'm Dr. Edward Laniewski, board certified orthopedic surgeon with cellularhealing.net, and I'm here to tell you today you can go ahead and register for a great seminar that we call Options for Arthritis. We go over all the options, just not one, all of them. Joint replacement, injections, physical therapy, laser therapy, home things that you can do, nutritional supplementation, and also things like platelet-rich plasma and bone marrow-derived stem cell treatments. All together in a nice little package, all within an hour, all with lots of time for questions. And you can register real easy by just going above and clicking on that register button. Or you can go to our website at cellularhealing.net and register for the seminar. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way and call us at Rehabilitation Physicians, which is 248-893-3200. Go ahead and educate yourself about all the options so you can get back to the things that you really enjoy. Join us. Remember, these are your cells for your healing. God bless you.